In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix the black and white screen or display error in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on the device manager. So tap on it and wait until a few seconds until you can see a new window which is the device manager. So this device manager contains all of the adapter or driver that is very irrelevant or very important to your computer. So from here, please locate for display adapters and click on this forward arrow key and it will show you your graphic driver. So from here, please make a right click and click on update driver. Now it will ask you to choose two options. Proceed with search automatically for drivers. And if the computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, click on this backward arrow key to return to the previous page. And this time, please select the second, which is browse my computer for drivers manually. Click on it and go with let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. And here it will show you all of the compatible hardwares to your PC. Select any of this, try out one by one, click on next, install or reinstall that in the PC, try the second, the third, and go on. So click on next and wait until it would be done. Once done, try to check if the black and white has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to the second method, and that is again at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. So here at the settings, you might have turned on the color filters. Okay, so it is very important to, you might have set the color filter into grayscale. That's why you have the black and white error. So how we can navigate there? Please navigate to the left pane and choose for accessibility. And here at accessibility, you can see their color filters and their vision. Click on it. Okay, so here, this section is very important because under the color filters, you need to ensure that it is being turned off or disabled. Because the moment you've turned it on, the default would be grayscale, and that is why you have a black and white screen. So it is very important to navigate here at the switch and turn it off. And in that way, you have just successfully fixed the black and white screen error in Windows 11. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day.